Leh Niam Behdeinkhlam kala shongshit da kajing lek kemen bat karong karup jingiphuh ki hajar ka sein rat ki bala pendep ya Leh Niam le rukom ha ka lumpung atnar hajuwai ya kan Leh Niam la jupenong di kipenar ben be ka khlam jingpang bat pan jingkur khuno blei ben seiso ka rep karyang ha ka pojong ka jingra khe ya ka Behdeinkhlam ki ringet ki pan ya ka jingkur khu kurdo no blei try kan rat na ka benta ban bha ka rep karyang hakate ka shat ki kinthai kimjeshin benta ha ka ban shat hinde ki pin khre ka bam ka di na ka benta ban ai she ki tu ki bala khlat no Menteri Rangba kejela konrat ki sang mau relit shimbenta hagani ke Leh Niam but ai khublei Behdeinkhlam ki pajba kejela ke Leh Niam Behdeinkhlam ke ko na peleng ke Leh Niam le rukom tenrai ke behe tam jong ki penar hamighalia manau ustem la rakhe ke Behdeinkhlam hau nai tung hadin ba de panthung ka ba but ke dei ru ka shat ka bakong san tam jong ki riunom jantia.
Yes, I would like to take this opportunity to wish the people of the state a very happy Behdeinkhlam festival. This is one of the important festivals of the state, and this is my third time that I am here visiting and being part of this festival. And every time I come here, it becomes even more and more colorful and more beautiful. And I love the way that the people celebrate it with so much of passion and so much of involvement. And we are happy that we can always support this festival in every possible way. And as you're aware that even the infrastructure that was created out here was created by the government through the tourism department. About 6.5 crores has been spent on this. And like this, we've always believed that maintaining the cultural identity of our state and of our people is of utmost importance. So we are happy to support, and we are happy to see that our people have continued to celebrate in a very passionate manner the different cultural festivals of our state. So once again, I wish the people of our state a very happy Behdeinkhlam festival.